Hi everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I'd like to share with you my green beans stir fry. So come, cook with Tita, and let's go to our ingredients. We have beans. I already took out the string, and we have enoki mushroom. I broke it like this, and I have a dry tofu. You can buy this at any store, oriental store that is. 3 sticks of this, and then I soak it in the water until they're really soft. And then I chopped it like that, okay? So this is a little can of mushroom. So 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And now, if you remember, one of my video, we made salted eggs, okay? So I'm going to use that today. We have 1 bowl of garlic. So what I did, I smashed that, and then I'm going to peel it. It's easier for me to do that, right? I always used a whole bowl of garlic. And then we have a medium white onion. I chopped it like so, okay, long ways. And then we have a medium tomato. I also chopped that like that, long ways. We're going to use some oyster sauce. We're gonna need 2 to 3 tablespoons of this, because remember, we're using salted eggs, so we don't need much salt. It's already salted. This fish sauce, you don't have to use this if you don't like fish sauce. You can use salt to taste, just to taste, okay? And we're going to use olive oil to saute, okay? Okay guys, my water is boiling like that. And then we're going to put 1 tablespoon of salt. We're gonna season the water, because remember, the water is not seasoned. You know what I'm saying, guys? So we're gonna put that in here. Like that. Alright, so this is how I blanch my stuff. The reason why I'm blanching, you're cooking it halfway, okay? So anywho, leave it there, okay, until the water get back to boiling. Only leave it there after it boils for 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes, that's it. Because remember, we're gonna be cooking that over here. So we just wanna half cook it, okay? We're going to put some olive oil right here with our preheated wok. About much. Turn up your heat to high, okay, because we're stir frying, okay guys? So we're going to saute our garlic. We're gonna saute our garlic for a couple, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, okay? Just when it start releasing their fragrance or aroma. Okay, so now I can smell the aroma. And then now we're going to put our onion. All right, so now let's put our tofu or dry tofu. Okay, squeeze them around like that. And don't forget our bean. Let's cover that. Let's put 2 minutes. Okay. And then, so we can flavor everything in there, we're gonna put our spice. So let's put that in here, and we'll mix it around like that to flavor our tofu. Because remember, the tofu doesn't have any really flavor if you don't flavor it. Whatever you put in there, that's what it's gonna taste like. what I'm trying to say. All right. Okay. So we're gonna uncover that. Okay. We shut the heat already. See, it's nice and green, right? Nice and green. So now before we put that in here, we're gonna flavor this about 3 tablespoons. Okay. Okay. So like that. And then we're going to scoop our green beans and put it in here. Okay. We don't want to get splattered on with hot water. So be careful, guys. Let me see. See, as you can see, guys, our beans, it's nice and green, okay? Half cooked. All right. Let me see. Get everything in there. Yep. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Okay. Sizzling, sizzling. Let's mix this thoroughly. Now remember, guys, we didn't put any salt in here because we already have salt eggs. We already have the oyster sauce. Also have some salt. You know, we don't want to be salting, okay? And plus we have a bouillon already, okay? Okay, now put that in there, okay? Enoki mushroom, one of my favorite because it's nice and firm and I love the texture. In other words, what I'm trying to say. We are going to open our eggs now, guys, okay? Wow. Okay. All right. Woo, nice. Very nice. We are going to be sure that we don't put any shells in there. So be careful, guys. Okay. Like so. Oh, it really smells good. Okay, so that's our egg. We're gonna have to mix this, okay? Mix this first. And now we're going to put half a cup. This is 1 cup. Okay, this is 1 cup. So we're gonna half a cup of liquid that we use to blanch our green beans, okay? Now we're gonna start with half because you don't want this to be watery. You know what I'm saying, guys? You don't want that watery too much. All right, so now we're gonna squeeze them around really good. We're gonna mix this. So be sure to just kind of cut the salted eggs with your spoon. Okay, we're going to cover this, okay? But before we cover that, we're going to put our tomatoes. Okay, guys, tomatoes. Okay, now the reason why we don't want the tomatoes there when we were cooking everything else, because I don't want that to disintegrate or to be overcooked, okay? So let's cover it for 3 minutes, okay, guys, with a medium-high heat. 1, 2, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Up. 3 minutes up. Up and away. Okay. So let's like I said, let's mix this. Oh, nice. See? So now we are going to taste our vegetable. Okay? We're gonna have mushroom, tofu, and let me see. Oh my goodness. So delicious. Let's put, I want to put 1 tablespoon of this. Okay? Alrighty. Yes, so just for a good measure. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, so delish, guys. Anywho, so that's it, guys. We are done. Let me see. I am going to taste it again. Okay. Nice. You know, it's not overcooked or anything like that. So if you want to, you can put paper flakes, dry paper flakes, that is. Okay. So I hope you like my recipe, guys. Try it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it because this is healthy. I'll see you again right here in my kitchen next time you cook with Tita. As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.